What if I told you nature holds the key to unlocking your potential? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how. Start your day with a walk in the woods. Breathe deeply to clear your mind. Notice the colors and sounds around you. These experiences boost creativity and focus. Spend time by the water. The rhythmic waves calm your thoughts. Ever wondered why nature feels so healing? It reduces stress and increases happiness. Plan a weekend hike. Challenge yourself with new trails. Feel the sense of accomplishment grow. The more you immerse in nature, the more energized you feel. Ready to unlock your potential? Hit the like button if you found this useful.